Hello guys, hello everyone. Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Nice to have you guys back on my YouTube channel. So you guys, as you can see on the title of this video, I'm going to be cooking ogbono soup. As you guys can see, I just add my cleaned beef, my cleaned protein, the protein that I just cleaned with salt and water. I just added it to the pot. Then I add a little quantity of onions, then seasoning cubes. So that is what I just added to this pot right now. So yeah, I'm going to cover that up to cook. Then here I have my stockfish. I'm going to add this stockfish into the soup also. So what I did is that I soaked the stockfish for some time for it to be easier for me to clean, Yeah, I soak it for some time. Now it's very soft for me to clean. And I make sure that I clean it very well, remove those stuff that I don't need, the parts that I don't need from it. So yeah, that is what I'm doing right here. As you guys can see, I make sure that I clean it very well because yeah, the more you clean it, the more the smell reduce, right? So yeah, that is what I'm just doing here. As you guys can see, so I just did that. After this, I'm going to add it into the pot. I'm going to cook everything together with the protein that is in the pot. Okay, you guys know that poroko stockfish is very hard to cook, and yeah, we call this fish stockfish. We call it okporoko. We call it zaba zaba in our local dialect. Yeah. So yeah, as you guys know, I'm from Nigeria. So yeah, you guys know that Nigeria has a lot of tribe, and there are different names that we call it from different tribe, right? So yep, you guys, as you can see, the water is very clean. That means that the fish is also very well cleaned. So what I'm going to do now is to add this fish into the pot. Yeah, I'm going to add it together. You guys, you know that I did not add water into this protein that is in the stove. So now I'm going to add water to it. From for the beginning, I did not add water, but with the heat and the few water that was in it after cleaning it. So yeah, that's why you can see some water in there. It's not that I'm going to add water. Okay. Yep, you guys, that is what I'm doing right here. I said, let me show you guys. What I will do now is to cover it up. Then it is time for me to blend my ogbono. Ogbono is the star of the soup. Yes, the star of the soup, you guys. So yeah, I bought this ogbono. Each cost me €4. Okay, €4 is what each of this pack of ogbono cost me. So I'm going to be using two of those. Okay, I want the soup to be much so that it will last us for some time. Okay, so yeah, here's my blender. I'm going to blend the ogbono soup. This was after I have picked the ogbono, remove the one that I see that is not good. So yeah, I have picked it. So yeah, yep, you guys. After blending that, I just check on the protein to see how it is going, and it is going very well. Yep, you guys. So here's other proteins that I'm going to be adding into this soup. Yeah, I have some shaki, some cow leg, which we also call cow feet, right? So I cook this one the night before the morning I cook this soup, you guys, so that the work will be very easy for me. You guys know that this cow feet is a very hard protein to cook. So what I did is that I cook it evening before the morning I prepare this soup. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm trying to explain. Ah, my wonderful people, that is what I'm doing right here. So yeah, I have the fish that I'm also going to add into the soup. Yes, my fresh fish, and yeah, I'm going to be using these two mackerel fish for this soup. So I just cut them into the smaller sizes the way I want it to be. That is what I just did. So yeah, I'm going to clean the fish, also remove the part that I don't want, all the stuff inside. Yeah, now the fish is well cleaned, as you guys can see. Yep, I'm going to remove that from the water. Okay. Yep, you guys, that is what I'm doing right now. Then yeah, I'm going to also check on the protein that is cooking on the stove. Okay, so you guys, now I will add in the cow feet and every other things, which is um shaki. Then I'll add in a little bit of crayfish. This is blended crayfish, you guys. This is blended crayfish, okay, that I just add into the soup. After adding that, I'm going to I just stir everything together for it to combine. So yeah, after stirring it, I'm going to cover it up, you guys. Bring in all the fish. So yeah, this is where I will add the fresh fish inside the pot. Then yeah, cover it up to cook. You can see I also add little water, more water, so that the fish will cook very well. So this is an empty pot that I just put on the stove. Which I'm going to be adding I'm going to be adding palm oil into this pot. This is for me to melt the blended ogbono. Okay. This way will also make it very easy for you to melt your ogbono. Okay. After you blend your ogbono, sometimes depends. It's come out very strong. So yeah, this is the easiest way to melt it. There is other pattern too that I learned from my mom, which you will put this ogbono into your plastic bowl, add oil inside, then put it inside the pot where you are cooking your protein. Then the ogbono will melt with the heat that is coming out from the pot. Okay. So this pattern that I'm using right now, I think is more easy for me to use than the other one. Okay. There is no one that is not good. Both of them is good. But this pattern is the pattern that I use most. Just add oil into pot, then put the ogbono inside. Be stirring it till there's no lump in it anymore. That's when you will know that the ogbono is well melt. Okay. So after that, I add the ogbono into the pot where I'm cooking those protein. So I've put everything together. As you guys can see, this ogbono is a very good ogbono. Okay. The ogbono was so thick that I have to add water to get to the consistency that I want it, right? I keep on adding water and the ogbono keep on rising and rising. You guys will see the pot. Oh my god, it is a very nice and good ogbono, you guys. It is so slimy. Yeah, I really love it, you guys. As you guys, at this moment, the kitchen is full of aroma. In fact, the whole house, we're just smelling ogbono, ogbono. Ogbono, ogbono. Help you guys. So yes, you can see how thick this is. I've add water, add water, add water. This soup is still very thick. Okay, me, I don't like ogbono that is so thick. So yeah, I don't like the ogbono that is too thick. Neither do I like the one that is too watery, right? So I just like it to be not too watery, not too thick. That is how I like my ogbono soup. As you guys can see, I've add water. You can see more I add water, more the soup is coming up, and yeah, the soup is very thick, you guys, which I'm so grateful for because the ogbono was so good and so slimy. It's not all ogbono that you will buy that is slimy, right? This one was so good, and yeah, as you guys can see, the soup is looking so delicious and so beautiful, the color, right? So yeah, what I would do, there is other thing I don't like plain ogbono. Ogbono that don't have okra, you don't have vegetable leaf. I don't like it. I like it's either I add okra into my ogbono or I add vegetable into it. Okay. So this one that I'm doing now, I'm going to add um spinach. As you guys can see, I just add some spinach. This is to give it that green color. Okay. This is for me to give it that green color. This is for me to give it that green color, as you guys can see, and yeah, and I love it. The soup was so delicious, you guys. Guys, my baby is with me right here. In case you guys are hearing noise or I'm making some sound, it is because she's disturbing me right here. But I just want to finish this voiceover before I will attend to her. Okay, the video is not too long, so yeah. So you guys, this is how the ogbono look right now. As you can see, it's not watery, right? It's not too watery. It's still very thick, but I like it this way. This is how I like it. This is how I want it to be. As you guys can see, thank you all for watching, for always being here God bless you, and I will see you guys on my next video. It is ready, it is done. Just for me to allow it to cook a little bit, then I will bring it down, use it to eat my swallow. So the swallow that I'm going to be using for this soup today is pounded yam that I'm going to be using for this soup. So I said, let me just show you guys. So I just add the leftover blended crayfish. Okay, because I did not add everything from the beginning. I just added, this is the one the leftover that I have. So I just add it into the soup, and this will also give it more aroma, right? Yeah, you guys, thank you all for watching. God bless you. I hope you guys like this video. Please do not forget to like, share, comment, all those stuff, you guys. And thank you all for being here. God bless. One love, my people. Thank you all for watching. I will see you guys on my next video. Maybe my next video will also be about cooking. So I will see you guys on that video too. Please subscribe, like, comment, share. Okay, you guys. Thank you all. God bless you. Bye. Mwah.
Like a sunrise glow, touch so soft where the seasons flow.